The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is a phone with all of the specs, the phone that truly shows off everything Samsung has to offer. This year Samsung have taken things to a new level yet again. If you're looking for a smartphone that can do it all and more, check this out. Taking the phone out of the box, you are immediately struck by the device's premium and sophisticated design. The phone exudes a sense of modern elegance, featuring a sleek and seamless body crafted from high-quality materials. The titanium black finish adds a touch of refinement, offering a dark, metallic sheen that catches the light in an alluring way. It is worth noting the colour is not as dark as I was expecting in person. It's almost like you can see the titanium coming through, and I am a huge fan of this look. It's safe to say I'm happy with this colour and would definitely recommend this option to anyone eyeing up the S24 Ultra. In my opinion, this by far is Samsung's best design to date, and arguably one of the best, if not the best designed smartphone you can currently buy. The flat display is a new welcome change, perfectly showing off one of the phone's best features, the screen itself. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra's display is incredible, featuring a spacious 6.8-inch flat Dynamic AMOLED screen. This expansive display, coupled with the use of Dynamic AMOLED technology, delivers vibrant colours, deep contrasts and rich blacks, ensuring an immersive viewing experience for multimedia and gaming. The ultra-thin bezels surrounding the screen contribute to the device's modern aesthetics, creating an almost edge-to-edge visual canvas. The decision to maintain a flat display not only provides a classic and ergonomic feel, but also minimises accidental touches. With its thoughtful combination of a large, high-quality display and sleek design elements, the S24 Ultra sets a new standard for flagship smartphones, promising an unparalleled visual experience in a device that is both stylish and user-friendly. The S24 Ultra introduces an enhanced S Pen experience, seamlessly integrated within the device to offer new levels of productivity and creativity. With the new flat display design, using the S Pen on the edge becomes a lot more intuitive and convenient than ever before. Prior to this year, the curved display made things awkward when trying to utilise the S Pen near the edges due to accidental touches and reduced precision. However, the flat display of the S24 Ultra eliminates these issues entirely, providing a stable and precise surface for S Pen input across the entire screen. The only remaining improvement would involve eliminating the camera bumps entirely, and therefore ensuring complete stability when the phone is placed on a flat surface. For now, this minor wobbling concern can easily be resolved by using a case. The camera on the S24 Ultra is one of the main reasons to consider this smartphone. The camera system represents a significant advancement over its predecessor, particularly in its telephoto capabilities. Samsung has introduced a powerful 50 megapixel 5x periscope telephoto lens, which is a departure from the previous 10 megapixel 10x model. While the move from a 10x to a 5x lens may appear as a regression, the decision was actually based on user feedback and behaviour. Samsung's research indicates that most Galaxy Ultra users prefer shooting within the 5x zoom range. By focusing on enhancing quality within this range, Samsung is now catering to practical user preferences. Samsung have also stated that zoom levels beyond 5x will now be enhanced through AI AI technology. The primary camera of the S24 Ultra is equally impressive, featuring a 200 megapixel sensor. Improvements extend to the 12 megapixel ultra-wide angle and the 10 megapixel 3x telephoto lenses, offering a versatile optical range from a 0.6x ultra-wide angle to a 10x telescopic view. The telephoto lens, now labelled as quad telephoto, covers 2, 3, 5 and 10x ranges, both with 2x and 10x providing higher resolution optical zoom capabilities. I will of course be putting this camera to the test over the next few weeks to see if all of this hardware can live up to the hype. If you are interested in seeing what this phone is truly capable of, then make sure you subscribe to be the first to see the upcoming review coming very soon. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy. This chip is tailored specifically for Samsung's flagship devices and boasts enhanced performance compared to the standard Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, with boosted output for the CPU, GPU and neural processing unit. Samsung have also optimized the processor's cooling system, with the vapor chamber being 92% larger than the one found in the S23 Ultra. This significant improvement ensures efficient heat dissipation, resulting in faster performance and more power for AI tasks. The onboard chip not only manages all the features the S24 offers, but can apparently also achieve this without impacting battery life. The huge 5000 mAh battery is said to last for 2 full days, which, if true, makes this definitely the phone to buy if you're someone looking for power on the go. Samsung's intensified focus on AI technology this year demonstrates a significant shift in their approach to enhancing user experience across their product lineup. The strategic emphasis is exemplified by the introduction of several innovative AI-powered features in the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. First up, the inclusion of Circle to Search. This new feature allows users to effortlessly search for information while browsing social media platforms or anywhere else on the phone simply by circling an object or text with the S Pen. In effect, it is performing a reverse image search, which is not something new, but having this feature to hand in this way could save lots of time when searching for things that you need. Secondly, Samsung have introduced Live Translate. This allows you to engage in real-time language translation during phone calls and messaging, facilitating seamless communication across different languages. This feature is not only designed to enhance global connectivity, but also fosters deeper understanding and connection among users from diverse linguistic backgrounds. For those of you who rely on having a best-in-class translator, it looks like Samsung have taken things to a new level here. Finally, the AI-powered photo editing options available on the Galaxy S24 Ultra exemplify Samsung's dedication to empowering users to unleash their creativity and achieve professional quality results effortlessly. These advanced editing tools let you relocate objects within photos and intelligently fill in the space they left behind, leveraging AI technology to streamline the photo editing process. This is very similar to what we see happening on the Google Pixel 8 Pro, but bringing these features to the Galaxy lineup puts this technology in the hands of so many more people. Samsung's increased focus on AI technology in the S24 Ultra shows that the company are very clearly pushing the boundaries of what's possible in smartphone technology. When reviewing a phone, it's normal to spend several weeks with the device to truly understand whether it's a worthwhile investment. The S24 Ultra is slightly different. This is a smartphone that can do it all, and you realise this from the moment you unbox the phone. If you're in search of the ultimate smartphone that excels in every aspect imaginable, and you're willing to invest in uncompromising quality and performance, then the Galaxy S24 Ultra is undoubtedly the device to go for. With its unmatched design, breathtaking display, cutting-edge camera capabilities, blazing fast performance, and new innovative AI features, the S24 Ultra sets a new standard yet again for what a smartphone can achieve. Spending more time with this device will of course allow me to see how things hold up long term, but barring any major issues, I am already very impressed. While it may come at a premium price, the unparalleled experience and limitless possibilities it offers looks like it could be worth every penny. So, what do you think? Let me know in the comments below, and if you're still watching up to now, then hit the thumbs up button and think about subscribing to the channel to be one of the first to see the review of the S24 Ultra as soon as it drops. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.